All right. Welcome to the opening ceremony of July 2024. We're excited to see everybody here at JAMA Jam. Uh, Pretty much everyone is here we've seen before. Glad to see you back. I know what an asset jam is. It can be pretty much anything you want to make, whether that's a 3D model, an animation, 2D pixel art, just a drawing you make, a song, pretty much anything, as long as you try and make it fit the theme in whatever way you want it to. It could be something kind of crazy as long as you can work it into the theme. Post your final submissions in the Jam page on itch.io. The link for that will be in the important links channel on the Discord. It'll be going right up after this. The 48-hour time frame is so everybody can kind of have time to get in there, spend a couple hours on something. Don't be obligated to spend the whole weekend on this. That would be kind of crazy. Just do whatever you're comfortable with. The post formatting for the title, have your name or your @ whatever you're comfortable with, and then the name of the asset or whatever you made. Give us a short little description on either what inspired you or what it is, what it's based on, why you made it, anything like that. And then make sure that you actually have a file that we can put into a PowerPoint easily, so like an image, a video, anything like that. Yeah, little suggestions for depending on what you make, things you could upload into your submission. Quick little example, this is what the itch page will look like when you're uploading something. Have the name, have a short description, then just in the details there you put a little description of whatever you want to have. And then this is what it'll look like in our actual final PowerPoint that we do. We'll just pull the images from it, pull the name you had, and pull the description, put it in here. So it looks nice. Anyway, here's the part people actually care about. This month's theme. Cooking. Very excited for this one. Excited to see what people make. Again, jam will end Sunday, 6 p.m. CST, and then the final ceremony for that will be 7 p.m. CST. Hope to see you all there.